it's James here and welcome back. Today I'm going to unbox an Amazon Fire Stick. I bought it for close to $50 and here it is, so let's get to it. Okay, I got my trusty cutter knife and let's get started. Whew. My first time to have one of these. There's been some hype about these fire sticks and I just wanted to know what all that hype was about. So here it is. Put this aside. Just going to take off this wrapper. Okay. It says Fire TV Stick and there's some Japanese. So I bought this through Amazon Japan, since I'm in Japan. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, I'm going to open this. Okay, there are some arrows on each side of the box, so I guess you just peel it off like so. Well, that was easy. And then, okay, so now it's open. Okay, now I can just pull out the box. Nice hard box. Okay, it comes with a remote control, and this must be the Fire TV Stick. Okay, let's see. This must be the user's manual. And it's in Japanese because I'm in Japan. What I have is an Amazon Fire TV Stick, and that's this. Okay. And then I also have Amazon Fire TV Remote Control, which is this. Then I'm supposed to have the USB cable. This is the power cable, which is right over here. Okay, and then the power adapter. Yes, there's one here. Here it is. And then I'm supposed to have two batteries. 1, 2, and these are AAA batteries. And then one HDMI cord. And look how short it is. Okay. So all the components are here. Okay, I'm going to take the cover off of this first. It says Amazon here. Okay, and it looks like an HDMI port. Oh, look on the side. It says power. So I guess the power cable, this is the power cable. Okay, we'll just unwrap things. So this is the power cable. This is the USB male, and this is the other end, and that probably goes into this Fire TV Stick. Like so. And I guess this plugs into the back of the TV, or in my case, the back of my computer monitor. Okay, so this is my first time to set this up. I'm just going to go to my computer monitor and set it up from there. So, see you there. Okay, so I'm sitting in front of my computer and I'm going to turn the monitor around. Okay, I turned the monitor around and I'm going to plug in this Fire Stick. And here's an available port, port number 2. There, it went right in perfectly. Now I have to connect the power cable. Okay, and then get the adapter. Oh, I have film on this adapter. I could just tear this off. Okay, now I'm going to plug in the power. Let's see what happens. Oh, HDMI number 2. And press, oh, enter. Let's see what happens. Oh, look, Fire TV Stick. So something's happening. Just turn this off. Okay, press play. So I'll press this button right here. Choose your language. Of course I want English. Ah, so you touch this round part. Okay, so like I said, this is my first time to have one of these. So you press this button. Go down to let's try English United States and press the center. Okay, scanning for networks. It has found my network here. So I'm just going to type in my security key. Give me a sec. Okay, I've inputted my password, my security key, and this is the message I'm getting. Connecting to network. It looks like it's working. All right. Checking for updates. This is register. I already have an Amazon account. Yep, I do. So click this one. To the right it says create an account. I am new to Amazon, which I'm not. I'm going to click the left panel. I'm going to enter in my Amazon login ID, so give me a sec. Okay, Fire TV Stick, checking network speed. My router's upstairs.
And welcome to your new Amazon Fire TV Stick. We want to make sure you get the most out of your new streaming media player. So let's take a quick tour together to learn more. Before we get started, just a quick reminder on setup. For best performance, please use the power adapter that was included. Fire TV Stick lets you stream a huge amount of entertainment, and the included remote lets you access it all. Controlling your Fire TV Stick is simple. The home button takes you to your Fire TV Stick's home screen at any time. Press here to navigate up or down, left or right. Press the center button to select. And press the back button to return to the previous screen. If you have the Fire TV remote with the voice button, you can access the entertainment you love with just the sound of your voice. It's really pretty cool. Here's how it works. Just press and hold the voice button, wait for the tone, and say what you want to search for. Transparent. Your results show up instantly. Use your voice to find movies, TV shows, music, games, and apps. And now, with Amazon Alexa, you can instantly get music, weather, information, and more. Just ask. Start by saying Alexa, followed by your question or command. I'll show you. Alexa, what is the weather going to be like in Seattle? Alexa, play music by Bruno Mars. Alexa is a cloud-based voice service, so it's always getting smarter. To learn more, just say, Alexa, tell me what you can do. You can use the free companion app, which is also voice-enabled. Yes, turn your phone into a remote control by downloading the free Fire TV Remote app from Amazon App Store, Google Play, or the Apple App Store. With Fire TV Stick, you can watch hundreds of thousands of movies and TV episodes from Netflix, Amazon Instant Video, HBO Go, and more. Access exclusive titles, listen to music, browse photos, and play games. Plus, with Amazon Instant Video, there's no need to wait for your movies and shows to buffer. ASAP learns what movies and shows you like, so they start instantly. Fire TV Stick even makes recommendations for other movies and TV episodes that you might enjoy. You can add any movie or TV show you want to watch later to your watch list and access it on the home screen. Just click right here. If you're an Amazon Prime member, in addition to the shipping benefits, you get unlimited access to thousands of movies and TV shows and over 1 million songs, all at no extra cost. Prime members can store all their photos for free through Amazon Cloud Drive and access them anytime on the big screen. Not a Prime member? No worries. Right after this video, you're going to get a chance to sign up for a free 30-day trial so you can try it for yourself. With Fire TV Stick, you can play some really fun games. You can use the directional buttons on your remote, or for an even better gaming experience, use the optional Amazon Fire TV game controller. Fire TV Stick supports multiple controllers, so you can play with friends too. And with Fire TV Stick, you can also enjoy X-Ray. With X-Ray, you can identify actors and songs in the current scene, explore actor bios and character backstories, see related trivia, and even jump to your favorite scene. Want to carry all your entertainment with you? Amazon Fire TV Stick is the perfect companion, with support for select hotel and campus wireless networks. Okay, we've just scratched the surface of what you can do. If you want to watch this video again, or need more help, go to Settings and select Help from the menu.
Well, that was very informative. Okay.
Shall we begin?
I just wish I knew earlier how to use this remote control. Okay, continue.
Let's begin.
Well, look at this. It says enable parental controls. No parental controls. Allows purchasing and video playback without PIN. That's what I want. Okay. I'm just gonna go press continue.
Let's begin.
Got it. Okay, it has a search, home, your videos, TV shows, movies, games, apps, music, photos, and settings. Okay, so TV shows, there are a lot of shows to go through. Wow, look at that. Press the return button, go down to movies. Let's see what movies. Wow. Quite a lot. So I'm going to press this return button, go down to
This is
game.
not a drill.
Movies. Wow.
This
Lots
is
of
not a
movies. Check this out. Wow. Games.
Is that all you got?
I lost my connection again.
Let's begin.
Loading your games. There are no games. Photos. Settings. Well, it seems pretty good. I'm just gonna have to play around with this. So, well, that's it for this video. So, if you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up. And thanks for watching. Till next time, everyone. Bye.